If you're part of the Jamaican diaspora, you understand how much we appreciate a good patty shop because we're not back home. But sometimes the patty shop is not nearby and you have to freeze the patties, okay? And then you need to reheat it. I've seen some people use the microwave. I've seen people use a regular toaster. Trust me, those are not the best ways. You can use an oven, but my favorite way to reheat it, definitely the air fryer. So guys, this patty is straight from the deep freeze. And if you want to preheat your air fryer, you can preheat it for about, 8 to 10 minutes. But I'm just going to go straight in. So I'm not spraying it. I'm not putting any foil wrap, nothing. That's it. Just going to put it right in there. And then you can put 2 if you want to. You could also thaw the beef patty in the fridge overnight if you prefer, okay? But this is frozen. Then I am going to set it to air fry and I'm using 350. So I'm going to change that from 390 soon. When it comes to timing, you can do 5 to 10 minutes on each side, okay? So here I'm changing the temperature to 350 and then I'm going to run it. I set it for 10 minutes, but at the 5-minute mark, I'm going to stop it and check on the beef patty. So I stopped it at 5 minutes. I'm checking on the patty and then I will flip them over. Okay. I'm using my tongs because these get hot. The only reason I'm using my tongs is because you guys are looking. Cause trust me, I always use my hands. Even though I shouldn't. But anyhow, guys, flip it over and then we are going to heat it for another 5 minutes. Before the time is up, I press it because I don't want the air fryer to cool down. Okay, so I stop it and then check on the patty. If the patties are hot, trust me, you will know because you'll smell it. You will see the pastry kind of, just a slight sizzle because of the fat that's in the pastry. If it feels cold, I just do it again. 5 minutes on each side. So total, guys, you want to do 5 to 10 minutes on each side, depending on your air fryer. And that's it. I have my bags. I just put my patty in the bag and then I'm going to take a bite so I can show you guys inside the beef patty. How do you know a patty is heated properly? The meat is still nice and glossy and juicy. Look at that, guys. And the pastry, it won't be hard. It won't be soggy. It's gonna be still flaky, crispy, crunchy at the edges. And that's what you get when you use the air fryer. The microwave is a big no-no, okay? And that's it. That's how I reheat my beef patties. Literally tasted like they just came out of the oven, like freshly made. I love it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.